Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ang nga pala ulit sa nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Kasi na rin ko yung ILS Jack. So sabi dito sa description ng game na to, nabasa ko na, so may idea na tayo. Sabi nag-move daw tayo. I mean, na force close daw tayo. Ewan ko kung ano yun. I mean, ano yung sinarado, pinapilitan magsara. Like, lumipat din daw tayo sa kuya natin or kapatid. Like, brother, sabi kasi doon sa description, lumipat daw sa brother mo and na hindi mo nakita ng 10 years. Then doon daw nagsimula yung traumatic experience. I don't know kung magmumulto, patay na yung kuya mo, yung kuya niya. So ano pa hinihintay natin, larin natin siya. So it's the time to play this game.
Hello, my name is Mitch. I'm here to tell you about an experience I had a few months ago. I have no idea if it was paranormal or whatever stupid words people use to describe supernatural phenomena. But after this experience, I started to believe in it.
Uy, camera. So ghost hunting.
Well, those are my last things. I'm glad you didn't leave me in this, Edwin.
Your family, Mitch. Of course I'd be here for you, man.
Tayo si Mitch.
Let's just move those boxes inside already. It's getting cold.
Okay. Get this ba? Bro, what the heck? Come on, bro. Tulungan mo ako sa pagbuhat ng box. Hindi yung mag-yossi break ka dyan. Tas parang pro player ka. So, move this box, E. Can we throw at him? E? No, I can't. Ano tayo yung shift? Saan yung... Ito talaga, ID here? Oh, here nga. Pwede tayo pwede makapag-shift. Bro, he thinks he's pro. Look. What the heck? Saan lugar to? Yeah. Okay. Okay, move lang muna natin itong box. Oh, ayun na siya. Kasi naman salamat. Natapos na yung career niya na pagiging pro player.
Here.
Ah?
Thanks.
Okay, bro, ang weird ng... Medyo creepy. Oh, yun siya. Katakot. So we have mugs, cups, bowls, plates, pan, chopping board. So here we have bread na hati and mukhang lumot na Argentina or salami. Pan ulit. Can we open this? Now we can interact the fridge. Can we sit? No, we can't. Talk to Edwin. Edwin Jr. Oh,
You started smoking, huh?
see,
You
bro.
want one?
You want one?
No, thanks. I don't smoke.
I don't smoke. Nice. Good siya,
Why
Mitch.
don't you get some
Good
rest?
siya, Mitch. Good.
You had quite a long ride to get here.
That's not a bad idea. I'm pretty tired.
Alright, good night then.
Good night, bro.
Night.
See, sabi ko sa inyo guys nag-yossi break eh. Halata naman sa itsura niya, sa appearance niya na may beard, imposible hindi siya nag-smoke and uminom na alak. We close this, no we can't. Nakalibing dyan. Bro, baka tayo na ililibing dyan. Kuya mo yung maglilibing sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung kuya siya mas matanda sa kanilang dalawa. So may shampoo, mirror, pack of clothes or towels. We can't leave. We can't interact that door. Can I close this, bro? We can't. Flip. Okay, matulog na tayo. 1:12 a.m. Pero pag ganyang oras, nagigising ng ganyang oras, titignan ko lang po, tapos, yun na, tulog na ulit. Like bro, sarap kasi matulog, nakakapagod buong May naglakad nung kanina. Nuksan tong window? Kasi tingnan nyo. Okay siya. May naglakad dun kanina sa labas. Please, sabihin mo sa akin dahon lang yan. Okay, dahon lang yan na tipon pag nagwawalis. Hi, Jack. I mean, Edwin.
Good morning.
Hey man, did you sleep well?
Yes.
Yeah, not bad at all. I only heard some strange rustling outside, but I guess it was just a raccoon or something.
Something.
Yeah, I agree. That's most likely it.
Yeah, I agree.
Would you mind raking the leaves outside the house? I will make breakfast in the meantime.
Sure thing.
Everything. Okay.
The rake is somewhere around the entrance.
Okay, sa entrance. Bago lumabas. Oh, ito. Ito ba? Tama. Oh. Okay. So. Nagluto siya? Am I right? Nagluto nga siya. So, pack of leaves siya na nagsama-sama. Oh, akala ko libingan eh. So, nagluto siya. Okay. What is that? Bro, this kinda sus. Ano to mga to? Oil? Mas, parang ang strange. Kasi sarado yan, di natin nabubuksan, no? Okay. Mind our own business. Can we go up here? No, we can't. May natira pa ba? Tapos na. Wait lang. Wala nga naman kausapin natin siya sa labas ng bahay. Like, bro, the heck. Pwede naman natin balik. Here. Ano balik? Nag-automatic. Naka-autopilot yung rake.
Just in time. I cooked some eggs.
Bro. Yun ang naluto mo. Like, putok tapos tang na orange or mango. Eat breakfast. Okay, salamat. Marami akong nakalaykay. 12:56 AM. Papasok sa bintana natin.
What's going on?
What the hell happened to you? Take a look in the mirror.
What are you talking about?
Mirror. May scratch tayo sa mukha. Bro, ginawa kang lottery ticket. Nagulat siya.
It seems like you've been sleepwalking, Mitch. I have no other explanation for that.
Sleepwalking?
That's strange.
That's strange. Bro,
Indeed.
paano ka
But
mag-sleepwalking
there
kung
is something
sleepwalking
more
ang ginagawa mo?
stupid, guys.
Imposible mo masaktan sa sarili mo. O raccoon ba talaga?
You somehow lost your kidney last night.
What?
Unfortunately, we don't know how that happened. I'm sorry, Mitch.
Wow, the heck? Pinambili ng iPhone 17 Pro Max sa isang kidney. Matalinong raccoon, guys. Matalinong raccoon. So, we gonna live? Are we gonna live? Okay, thank you, Doc. Sa, ano?
Before you go, could you please sign this paper?
Okay.
Take care, Mitch.
Thanks, Doc.
Thank you.
Salamat. Like, ano yun? Di ko Okay. Di ko alam kung anong meron kasi sabi natutrauma daw tayo or car key.
How did it go?
He thinks I'm sleepwalking.
That's bullshit. How could this be the case?
Oo nga.
I don't know. It's all fucked up.
Anyway, take this key. It belongs to your room.
Sure.
And Mitch, if there's anything bothering you, you can always tell me about it.
Okay.
I
May
know. Thanks.
nakarang pumasok sa bintana ko, brother, bro. Here? Key? What do you mean? Here? Oh. May sinisipon ako. I'm not okay today. Pasensya na di ako mapagsalita. Masakit alam mo na ako. Sisipon ako. Masakit mata ko. I don't know. 12:05 a.m. again? Okay. What the heck? I need my camera. Fast. Get the camera under this. Oh! Uy! Gago! Take the flash! Makba ka sa gubat! Doon sa pupunta. Nagulit ako sa puno. Doon saan to pupunta? Takbo lang tayo? Uy! Naulit tayo?
Good morning,
Doc?
Mitch.
Mag-sleepwalking na naman ba ako?
Some good and bad news. The good news is that you only had minor injuries and your parents are going to pick you up. However, the bad news is that your brother, Edwin, was found dead. I'm terribly sorry for your loss.
What the heck, bro? Sino ba yun yung halimaw na yun? Like, I don't understand. And head back, take the camera and head back. Bro, ba't dito si Edwin? What's the thing on the floor? What the frick? Kidney mo. Okay. Get in. What is
Are
Edwin?
you okay, son?
No, Dad, I'm not.
Yeah, I'm okay, Dad.
Eyeless Jack. Bro, di ko maintindihan yung kwento. Like, origin creepypasta. Oo, nangyari sa totoong buhay. What the heck, bro? What the heck? Di ko maintindihan yung kwento na nangyari. Like, may dark thing, maitim na person, or kind of creature na humabol sa atin kanina, nag-scratch sa mukha natin, pinasok tayo sa bintana. Hindi ka kasi naglalak ng bintana, pero yung pinto nalalak mo. And also, kinuha yung key din natin, pinambili ng iPhone 17 Pro Max, fully paid 1 terabyte. And eyeless Jack. Who the heck is Jack? Bro, still, di ko alam Pero siguro urban legends yan siya dyan sa bansang yan, kung ano man bansa to. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa bagong video, and I hope na-appreciate nyo itong video na to. Maraming salamat. Kita tayo sa next video, and also don't forget to click the subscribe and also like na rin. Maraming salamat sa support nyo. 40 subscribers na tayo. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.